Hello friends, you are watching Yousaf Saleem and today I am going to teach you 5 best tools to test your landing page speed. Number 1 is Page Speed Insights. Uh, I think this is the best tool and this is a Google product. It tells your landing page speed on mobile as well as desktop. As you can see, I just put my website URL in the search bar and push button analyze. It tells about the 44 score out of 100 and on desktop it is 90. So you can see here what are the statuses: 0 to 49, 50 to 89, 90 to 100. More you can see what are the exact issues why your website increase is slow, so you can ask developer to work on these issues. And the second tool is GT matrix. Same process, I just put my URL in the search bar and it tells me about the performance: 74%, structure 92%, LCB, TBT, CLS, and Kingdom speed test, performance grade C, 741 page speed size, and load time is 3.7175 seconds. Yellow Lab tools and Dare Boost, issues 7, improvement 7, 69 successes. So these are the tools. As you can see, all the tools almost tell me the same performance of my landing page: 75%, 87, and 77, 74, and almost uh, uh, mobile 44 and desktop is 90. So this video is ended. If you like the video, please like and subscribe so you will get notification for the next videos. Bye.